All right, question number 23 says solve for BC. So if you notice, we've got some similar triangles here. So let's kind of highlight these triangles. We've got our big triangle here, and they want us to solve for BC. So BC is our x value. Well, we have another small triangle down here that shares a common side or common angle with the large triangle. So let's get a different color, just a minute. So we're going to, these two are similar triangles. They share an angle, and then they both have a right angle. So by the angle-angle similarity postulate, we know that they are similar. Similar triangles have proportional sides, so that's going to give us what we need to find our missing side. We have two sides of this triangle, so GE is going to correspond to CB, and then that's going to equal, we've got side EF, which is 6, and that's going to correspond to BF. And if we add 6 plus 6 plus 6, we can see that that is 18. And then we're just going to cross multiply. So we can say that 6x is equal to 4 times 18. 6x is equal to 72. Divide both sides by 6. And x is equal to 12. That is BC.